Hello and welcome to a customer product review of the A+ energy rated Fridgemaster MC50160 refrigerator freezer. This appliance has a height of 143.8 cm, a width of 49.5 cm and a depth of 56.6 cm. It has two height adjustable feet at the front for levelling and two casters at the back to assist with moving and cleaning. The refrigerator section of this appliance has a 112 litre capacity or 3.96 cubic feet, a large amount of storage suitable to the average family's weekly shop. The refrigerator itself is separated into four segments by three height adjustable glass shelves and a salad bin. The salad bin is large and capable of storing plenty of fruit and veg. There are also three storage shelves fitted to the inside of the door made of clear transparent plastic. The lower shelf for bottles and cartons, the upper two ideal for jars and jams. The thermostatic control dial and internal light are located at the top of the refrigerator, making access and adjustment easy. Overall, a good size family fridge. The freezer section of this appliance has a 48 litre capacity, or 1.7 cubic feet, separated by three freezer baskets. The top basket is quite shallow, ideal for small, loose or flat products like ice trays and pizza. The middle basket is the largest and will hold most frozen products. The bottom basket may look larger, but is in fact only a half basket. Its extra height does help, however, storing larger size products like large tubs of ice cream. Overall, this is a small to medium size freezer, and although perfect for a couple or small family, it might not have the storage for a large family on its own. My overall view of this appliance is good, 4 stars. It's not too large and has great refrigerator storage. It's stylish in a plain sort of way and has a good energy rating, so it's not too costly to run. It does make a bit of noise, but not excessively, and is made by a manufacturer I would trust, having owned a Fridgemaster under-counter freezer for the last 8 years that still runs like a dream. So all in all, a happy bunny. No, happier than that. That's more like it. Thanks for watching.